Roman concrete, a timeless marvel.
Roman concrete helped build some of the most enduring structures in history. From the Pantheon to aqueducts, these creations have lasted for millennia. The secret behind their strength lies in a special recipe that has amazed scientists and engineers, leading many to wonder how ancient builders achieved such long-lasting results.
The ancient recipe revealed.
Unlike most modern concrete, Roman concrete used a blend of volcanic ash, lime, and seawater mixed with rock fragments. The volcanic ash, called pozzolana, was key. When combined with lime and water, it triggered chemical reactions that created rare minerals, making the concrete especially durable and resistant to cracking.
Built to endure.
The Roman concrete structures have resisted thousands of years of weather, earthquakes, and even waves. The special mix allowed their harbors to set underwater, hardening over time. Modern researchers have found that the rare minerals formed inside Roman concrete actually heal small cracks, helping the structures grow stronger with age.
Modern engineers take notice.
Engineers and scientists today are fascinated by Roman concrete. They study its unique chemistry in hopes of creating more sustainable, long-lasting materials for buildings, roads, and bridges. With a better understanding of how ancient Romans blended natural materials, future concrete might be both stronger and more environmentally friendly.
Lessons from the past.
The secrets of Roman concrete remind us that ancient innovations continue to influence modern science. By learning from time-tested techniques, we can improve today's construction methods and help build structures that will stand strong for centuries to come.